Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, check us out at mymusicworkshop.com. Oh boy, friends, we are moving along, learning new drum beats and having fun. What did you think of that one?
Wow!
Gosh, that is a really cool drum beat, and I want to teach it to you. Do you want to take a little closer listen without the music?
Woo!
I want you to. Here we go. All right, there it was, our drum beat. What did you notice? Was it a combination of our last two drum beats? Did we take those beats and put them together?
Yes!
Now let's look at the reading music, but you're gonna see a lot that you've seen before. Here we go, there's our staff. Let's look at beat one. What do we have? 2 eighth notes, right? We've got our stems going up, our beam across, and we count those by saying what? 1 and.
Awesome!
We have a bass drum and hi-hat, then we have a hi-hat all by itself. That's our beat one. Can you do that?
Yes!
We learned that in our last beat, right?
Woo!
Let's move along to beat two. What do we have? Well, there's 2 eighth notes again, playing hi-hat.
Hello!
Then there's a snare drum on the first part, right? So it's snare drum and hi-hat, then hi-hat all by itself. Let's move over to beat three. Just like beat one. Bass drum and hi-hat, then the hi-hat by itself. Move over to beat four, and it's just like beat two. It's a pattern.
Woo!
So it goes bass and snare and bass and snare and.
Awesome!
It's a bass and hi-hat, then just a hi-hat, then a snare and hi-hat and just a hi-hat, then a bass and hi-hat, then just a hi-hat, then a snare and hi-hat and just a hi-hat. It's a pattern, right? There is a lot going on. Make sure to push down that hi-hat pedal. Keep the hi-hats closed. We want that tight hi-hat sound, that short hi-hat sound, not the sound that the hi-hats make when they're open. They're a lot louder when they do that. We're gonna do that later, learn all about it. Are you ready to practice this fancy drum beat?
Yes!
Now I wanna tell you something about this beat. It is so cool, and it is the beginning of learning such a cool amount of new drum beats that I'm gonna teach you later.
Wow!
So let's figure this one out. Take as much time as you need. But if you're ready to try it with us, listen for those 4 clicks and let's give it a go. Friends, could you do it? Did you play it along with us? Could you keep your tempo steady? Could you keep track of what your hands and feet were doing? There is a lot going on. I know that. But this is a great beat. Maybe the most important one that we've learned so far. I want to head over to the jam along so you can practice, but I also need to remind you to practice as much as you need to on your own, okay? Get this beat figured out, do it as slow as you need to, as many times as you need to. It will start to feel more comfortable, then you can play it along with the music with us, okay?
Okay!
Now, it's a really important beat because just like in our very first drum beat, we have our bass drums on beats 1 and 3 and our snare drums on beats 2 and 4. Those are really important beats for the drummer.
Way to go!
I'm ready to head to the jam along and play it, but I'll meet you there whenever you're ready.
Woohoo!
See you there.